The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Whole chicken is deep-fried until golden and crisp, then braised low and slow in a rich, umami-packed oyster sauce gravy. The result is shattering skin soaked in savory liquid and tender, falling off the bone meat. This home-style version rounds out the meal with dry Chinese mushrooms, carrot, and spring onion. Thickened to a silky gloss, the sticky sauce is so irresistible that you'll abandon your napkins and head straight for the sink. For the gravy, butter 3 cups, as desired. Salt 1 teaspoon, as desired. Sugar 1 teaspoon, as desired. Oyster sauce 1 tablespoon, as desired. Sesame oil 1 teaspoon, as desired. Rice wine 1/2 tablespoon, as desired. Ginger juice, as desired. A shake of pepper, as desired. Remaining dark soy sauce, as desired. Equipment: wok or large deep pot, as desired. Wok or heavy pan, as desired. Tongs, as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Clean and season the chicken. Clean the chicken and cut off the legs. Mix the light soy sauce with 1/2 teaspoon of the dark soy sauce and rub this mixture all over the chicken, inside and outside, so every surface is evenly coated. Step 2. Prepare the aromatics and vegetables. Have the soaked dried Chinese mushrooms. Cut the small carrot into 1 cm thick slices and the spring onion into 4 cm lengths. Chop the garlic cloves and pound the 1 cm knob of ginger to extract the juice. Reserve the ginger juice for the gravy. Step 3. Mix the gravy. In a bowl or jug, combine the water with the salt, with the salt, oyster sauce, sesame oil, oyster sauce, sesame oil, rice wine, ginger juice, a shake of pepper, and the remaining 1/2 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Stir until the salt and sugar have dissolved. Tip from Fidelicacy: combining all the sauce ingredients ahead of time ensures a consistent flavor and makes the braise effortless. Step 4. Prepare the thickening. Blend the tapioca flour with 1 tablespoon of water in a small cup to make a smooth slurry. Set it aside, it will be added to the gravy at the very end. Cooking steps. Step 5. Deep fry the whole chicken. Heat cooking oil in a wok or deep pot until hot. Fry the whole seasoned chicken until it is golden brown all over. Remove from the oil and drain well. Step 6. Sauté the aromatics. Remove all but 2 tablespoons of oil from the pan. Brown the chopped garlic, then add the halved mushrooms and carrot slices and fry for 1 minute. Step 7. Braise the chicken. Add the gravy mixture and the fried chicken to the pan. Cover and simmer for about 30 minutes until the chicken is tender. If necessary, add a little more water. Turn the chicken every 10 minutes to ensure it cooks evenly and absorbs the sauce on all sides. Step 8. Thicken the gravy. Remove the chicken, mushrooms, and carrot from the pan. Boil the remaining gravy quickly until it reduces to about 1 cup. Add the tapioca flour slurry and stir until the gravy thickens and comes back to a boil, then turn off the heat. Keep the gravy hot until it is needed. The Walks of Life note: simmering the sauce down until it coats a spoon is the sign it is ready. The skin on chicken is what gives the gravy its silky body. Step 9. Serve. Cut the chicken into serving pieces and arrange them neatly on a serving plate. Place the mushrooms, carrot, and spring onion on top of the chicken and pour the hot gravy over everything before serving. Enjoy with steamed white rice.